Hi, I'm Olivia from the finance team at Harborview Global Exports. A question the finance department gets asked regularly by employees is how to get a tax certificate or withholding tax statement from their bank, usually needed for annual tax filing, visa applications, or audit purposes. In this guide, I'll show you how to generate and download your tax certificate directly from your banking app in which you receive your salary. Let's go. Open the banking app on your phone and sign in with your credentials. Once inside, you'll land on the main account dashboard showing your accounts and recent transactions. Tap on the More button. Under Services, you will see the option, Withholding Tax Certificate. Tap on it. Select the account you want the certificate for. Most employees will select their salary account or main current account. Then select the financial year, for example, 2025 to 2026. Tap on Section and choose Cash Withdrawal. Tap on Generate. The app will process the request and a PDF of the tax certificate will be sent to your registered email. And that's it. If you need help with any other finance documents, contact the finance team at Harborview Global Exports. Details are in your staff directory.